All right, welcome back. So we have one small topic to talk about around importing our own custom modules, and it has to do with this special underscore or dunder double underscore name variable. So double underscore name double underscore. So remember that those are sort of special properties that you're not supposed to do anything with, you're not supposed to touch them, but they exist. And the way that name works, every file, every module has its own name variable. So Python gives it the name variable, and by default, the value of double underscore name in the main file that is being run is equal to double underscore main double underscore main. So let me just show you to make this a bit clearer. It's a very weird thing to talk about with slides only. So in Sublime, I have two different files. One is called sayhi.py and one is called saysup. Like, it's, if you've never heard that before, it's a slang term for what's up. I don't know if people still say it, but say hi and say sup. And all I'm going to do is define a single function called say hi, no parameters, and it's just going to print hi. And then afterwards, my name is, and I'll set it to my double underscore name is, and then I'll interpolate, so I need an F string, double underscore name, okay? And then let's execute say hi once at the bottom, just like this. So now when I run this, Python 3 say hi, we get, hi, my name is main. So I'm going to copy this and switch it to say sup, S-U-P, and the only difference I'll have here is my name is, and I'll keep that the same, but I'll just have it say sup, and then we'll call say sup. Very silly, I know. But if I execute this, and I call say sup.py, I get the same thing. Sup, my name is main. So all this shows us is that this name variable is set equal to main in the main file when we execute the file. So I'm directly executing say sup. So in that case, inside of that file, name is set to main. But now let's require one inside the other. So at the top of say hi, I'm now going to import. So I'll do from say sup import the say sup function. So from this file, import this function, just like this. And then after say hi, let's call say sup, right? So it's going to run say hi first, and we should see hi, my name is, and whatever name is inside of say hi, and then it will run say sup, and we should see what name is inside of say sup. So let's see what happens. Clear this out, and I run say hi, that's the file, hit enter, and would you look at that? It's kind of weird, right? We have three things showing up. So even though we only executed two functions, three things are showing up. And not only that, but the very first thing to run is sup. My name is say sup. Then hi, my name is main. And then sup, my name is say sup. Okay, I'm tired of saying sup. But what's happening here, well, I'll explain it in detail in just a moment. But the file itself that we're running is called say hi. That's the main file. So the value of name inside of say hi will be main if it's the main file we're running. Say sup is not the main file we're running. It's being imported. And so the value of it is the name of that file, which in this case is say sup. So name is just a variable that refers to the name of the module unless it is the main file that you're executing. But then why are we seeing sup, my name is say sup first? Why is that happening? And to understand that, we go back to the slides. Just to recap, in every file, if it's the main file being executed, the value of name is main. Otherwise, if it's being imported, it's the value of name is the file name. Okay, so here's what happens when we actually import something. Python tries to find the module, so it's looking for a file called saysup.py. If it doesn't find it, it throws an error. But if it does find it, which is what happened in our example, it runs the code inside of the module that's being imported. So inside of say sup, remember I'm calling say sup. So even though I'm only calling it once in this file, this is the only file I'm trying to run, because it's running in this file, or because I'm calling it in this file, the first thing that happens is Python says, okay, I'm looking for say sup. Oh, I found it. I got to execute it. So it runs that file. And then it sees, oh, he also wants me to do say hi, and now I'll say sup again. So to prevent code from being run, if it's not in the main file we're trying to execute, there's a little trick we can do. It's pretty simple. We're just going to check if name is equal to main, then we'll run that code. And that way it will only run if it's in the main file that's being executed. So we could fix our problem where say sup is being executed before say hi by just coming over here into say sup and adding an if statement that says if _name is equal to main, then we'll run say sup. So this will only run if I'm actually executing say sup.py. Otherwise, it's just going to be imported and it won't be executed. So let's test it. If I run say hi again, now we only get hi and then sup, which is what's supposed to happen. And if I execute say sup directly, now I get sup, my name is main, because I'm directly executing this file, so name is equal to main. So it's kind of a weird concept, but really the main takeaway, every module has a name variable, _name. If you are directly running that file by calling it python3 whatever, python3 file.py, that file, the code in that module, will have name set to main, like this. Otherwise, it will be set to the name of the file, which is what we see here, where name is say sup. So hopefully that explanation made sense. I know it's kind of weird, but this is the workaround. You'll see it pretty commonly. It's how we can ignore code when we import a module.